For the state regulations assignment, you will note that you can preview the chart by simply clicking the title of the attachment. Looking at the chart, you will note that the Kansas regulations have been completed for you. The page numbers are referring to the regulations, not your textbook, but the page numbers are referring to the regulation page numbers. This link at the top of the chart would take you to the regulation handbook for Kansas. So simply what is being noted here is how you can reference where your data, your facts are coming from. Provided for you to identify your own state to research, you can use the child care link. Scroll down to state by state resources. Click on this menu and choose a state. I'm going to choose Arizona. I will tell you now, Alaska regulations are difficult to find on this link, but I'm going to choose Arizona, and I click Search Now. We are not interested in anything other than regulations. So of this menu choice, which would be the best option? Right, childcare. Click on childcare. Again, of the choices, where is most likely the place to find the regulations? Again, correct, the child care licensing information. So I'm going to click on website. Remember, you are looking for regulations, and there we find a tab, Rules and Regulations. And here you will see different rules and regulations to which you are referred. This one separates out group homes and facilities. So we'll go and we will look at facilities. Opening up the booklet, you will be able to find the facts, the information for Arizona to be completed and added into the regulation charts. Now, I made the point that Alaska is difficult to find. So if you use the child care link but are having difficulty, then I would encourage you to simply Google for that state. So I would put in the state name, let's say Colorado. And what are we looking for? We're looking for child care regulations. If I could spell. There we go. And using my common sense, I'm looking at my options here. I know I'm going to want to be in Colorado. Here's the Office of Early Childhood. I'm going to click on the first one, Rules and Regulations. And boom, here we are. And I can open up those links to look for the information.